Hi, my name is Bernd Herd. I'm working in NetApp's SAP Competence Center in Walldorf, and in this video I'd like to show you how to run SAP in Azure using Cloud Volumes ONTAP. This is part 3 where we will focus on preparing the operating system and mount the volumes. In the previous videos we have created one volume, and now in order to mount it for SAP MNT or user subtrans, we need to mount it temporarily, create the 3 folders, and edit the etc fstab to be able to finally do a mount -a to mount all the 3 mount points to the operating system folders. So let's start with the first step. We start logging on to the cloud instance, and there we will create a temporary folder or use the temporary folder that is already there to mount the volume. So let's check. This is our environment. Now do a mount using the data IP and mount our SBX underscore shared volume to MNT TMP. So in MNT TMP, we need to create those 3 folders. So using the root account, so we see that's only the .snapshot directory for holding the snapshots, and we will now create the user SAP underscore SAP, which we will use as mount point for mounting user SAP SID. We will create a transport directory and the sub MNT. We will change the permissions. So with that, we have created the 3 folders that are required for the mount points. And of course, we need to create the folders on the operating system. So let's create sub MNT for the user ID, for the system ID SBX, the same for user sub SBX and user subtrans. Also here we will change the permissions, and now we will have to edit the etc fstab. So here we will use the IPs and the folder names, but we will use the NFS extensions that we recommend for SAP systems. You can find that in the blog post and in our technical report that is linked to the blog post. And after that, the only thing we need to do is to mount all the volumes. And with that, the system is ready for the installation. One step that's missing before we install or do some massive changes, let's use the snapshot facility to create a snapshot. With that, we have done all preparations to start the SAP installation with Cloud Volumes ONTAP. Thank you.